In humans, thermoception is done mainly through the skin. You have temperature receptors that pick up the changes in heat and cold. The eyes of werewolves are particularly effective at picking up heat.
Well, what do we do without our eyes?
Focus on your skin. The minute temperature changes. Now, turn to face each other. Malia, try to hit Scott.
Seriously?
Yes, seriously. You came here to learn to fight. Kick his ass.
Okay. What am I supposed to do now?
Defend yourself.
Son of a...
Sorry.
Don't be sorry. Hit him again. Yeah, I didn't think it was possible, but I'm actually starting to wish I was blind again.